Let's be honest. Writing a cover letter can feel awkward and confusing. What do you say? How long should it be? And how do you avoid sounding like a robot? In this video, we'll walk through a simple, proven cover letter template you can use, and I'll show you how to turn it into a great draft with ChatGPT. Think of your cover letter as a short story with 4 parts: the hook, the fit, the proof, and the close. Part 1. The hook. This is your opening. One short paragraph. You can use a template like this. I'm excited to apply for the job title role at company. With X years of experience in your field, I'd love to bring my skills in top 1 to 2 skills to your team. Simple, clear, and straight to the point. Part 2. The fit. Here, you connect your background to the job description. Try something like, in my current role at current company, what you do. This has helped me develop strong skills in Skill 1, Skill 2, and Skill 3, which match what you're looking for in this position. You're basically saying, here's what I do now, and here's why it matters to you. Part 3. The proof. This is where you add 2 to 3 quick examples or achievements. For example, some highlights include increasing result by number or percent, leading a team of number on project, and improving process or metric that saved time or money. Use numbers when you can, but if you don't have exact stats, focus on positive outcomes. Part 4. The close. End with confidence, not desperation. You can say, I'd welcome the chance to discuss how I can contribute to team or company goal. Thank you for considering my application, and I look forward to the possibility of speaking with you. Now, how do you use ChatGPT to speed this up? Paste the job description into ChatGPT and say, write a 1-page cover letter using this job description. Here's my background. Paste your resume or key points. Use a friendly, professional tone. Then, tweak the results so they sound like you. Remove buzzwords you'd never say out loud, and add 1 or 2 specific details about why you like that company. If you want to turn this script into your own animated explainer, head over to vidfactory.ai. You can create clean, professional explainer videos like this one without needing a designer or editor. Try it out, plug in your own script, and bring your ideas to life.